Want to build a product roadmap that aligns your team, drives progress, and delivers value? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the 3 essential steps for creating a roadmap, including collecting ideas, prioritizing, and planning, with some tips to make it work more effectively. Using Routemap, the first step is to collect various ideas. This is how every great roadmap starts. And these ideas can come from anywhere: customer feedback, internal teams, competitive analysis, or market trends. Here are some tips to help you do it effectively. Host brainstorming sessions with cross-functional teams. Use tools to centralize input, like a shared idea board or an idea portal. And don't just focus on features. Think about problems you're solving and opportunities to add value. Remember, the goal is to cast a wide net. You want a pool of ideas to choose from, not just the loudest voices in the room. Once you've collected ideas, it's time to prioritize. Not every idea can or should make it onto your roadmap. It is crucial to list down what tasks should be done first and what can be completed later. Therefore, you can leverage prioritization frameworks like RICE, Moscow, value versus effort, and more to make the progress less frustrating. And never forget to ask yourself, does this align with our product vision and goals? Now, it's time to turn your priorities into a plan. Your roadmap isn't just a list of tasks. It is a strategic guide that connects your product vision to execution. That's why you should start with key milestones or objectives. Place high-priority ideas into timeframes, and visualize dependencies and leave room for flexibility. Your roadmap should adapt as needs change. One thing to remember: your roadmap is a communication tool. Share it with your team and stakeholders to align everyone on what's coming next. And that's how to make your product roadmap planning more efficient. And to take it up a notch, you can use Routemap for Jira, where you can collect ideas effortlessly, prioritize tasks on the fly, and plan roadmaps, all in one place. Try Routemap for Jira today.